16. Abode, ABODE. Part of speech, noun. Meaning, a place where one lives, a residence or dwelling. Sentence, their cozy cottage by the beach was their peaceful abode during the summer. Synonyms, residence, dwelling, home, house. Antonym, departure, homelessness, transience. 17. Abolish, ABOLISH. Part of speech, verb. Meaning, to officially put an end to something, typically a law, system, or practice. Sentence, the government decided to abolish the outdated tax policy and replace it with a more efficient system. Synonyms, eliminate, eradicate, terminate, annul. Antonym, establish, institute, retain. 18. Abominable, ABOMINABLE. Part of speech, adjective. Meaning, extremely unpleasant, detestable, or morally repugnant. Sentence, the abominable crime committed by the serial killer shocked the entire nation. Synonyms, detestable, loathsome, repulsive, disgusting. Antonym, pleasurable, delightful, enjoyable. 19. Abominate, ABOMINATE. Part of speech, verb. Meaning, to hate or detest intensely, to feel strong aversion or disgust towards something or someone. Sentence, I abominate the taste of olives and can't stand to eat them. Synonyms, despise, loathe, detest, abhor. Antonym, love, adore, cherish. 20. Aboriginal, ABORIGINAL. Part of speech, adjective. Meaning, relating to the original or native inhabitants of a region, indigenous or native. Sentence, the art gallery featured an exhibit showcasing the traditional artifacts of the Aboriginal people. Synonyms, indigenous, native, original, first. Antonym, foreign, alien, non-native. 21. Abortive, ABORTIVE. Part of speech, adjective. Meaning, unsuccessful, fruitless, or ending prematurely without producing the desired result. Sentence, the company's attempt to launch a new product was abortive due to manufacturing issues. Synonyms, unsuccessful, failed, futile, unsuccessful. Antonym, successful, productive, effective. 22. Abrasive, ABRASIVE. Part of speech, adjective. Meaning, harsh, rough, or causing irritation or friction, having a grinding or wearing effect. Sentence, the abrasive sandpaper was used to smooth the rough surface of the wooden table. Synonyms, rough, harsh, grating, irritating. Antonym, smooth, gentle, soothing. 23. Abridge, ABRIDGE. Part of speech, verb. Meaning, to shorten, condense, or reduce in length while retaining the main points or essence. Sentence, the publisher decided to abridge the novel to make it more accessible to young readers. Synonyms, shorten, condense, truncate, reduce. Antonym, expand, elaborate, extend. 24. Abrogate, ABROGATE. Part of speech, verb. Meaning, to repeal, abolish, or officially revoke or annul a law, agreement, or obligation. Sentence, the government announced its decision to abrogate the outdated trade agreement. Synonyms, revoke, repeal, annul, cancel. Antonym, establish, enforce, uphold. 25. Abscission, ABSCISSION. Part of speech, noun. Meaning, the act of cutting off, removing, or shedding, particularly in reference to leaves, branches, or body parts. Sentence, the tree's natural process of abscission allowed it to shed its leaves in preparation for winter. Synonyms, cutting off, detachment, separation. Antonym, attachment, connection, union. 26. abscond, ABSCOND. Part of speech, verb. Meaning, to leave hurriedly and secretly, often to avoid detection or arrest, to flee or escape. Sentence, the thief absconded with the valuable diamond necklace before the police arrived. Synonyms, flee, escape, run away, bolt. Antonym, remain, stay, abide. 27. Absolute, ABSOLUTE. Part of speech, adjective. Meaning, unconditional, complete, or total, not limited by restrictions or exceptions. Sentence, the dictator wielded absolute power over the country, with no opposition allowed. Synonyms, unconditional, complete, total, unlimited. Antonym, limited, conditional, relative. 28. Absolve, ABSOLVE. Part of speech, verb. Meaning, to declare someone free from guilt, blame, or responsibility, to acquit or pardon. Sentence, the court absolved the defendant of all charges due to lack of evidence. Synonyms, acquit, pardon, forgive, exonerate. Antonym, blame, accuse, condemn. 29. Abstain, ABSTAIN. Part of speech, verb. Meaning, to refrain or hold oneself back voluntarily from doing or partaking in something, especially from indulging in a particular activity or substance. Sentence, as part of their religious observance, they chose to abstain from consuming alcohol. Synonyms, refrain, avoid, withhold, forego. Antonym, indulge, partake, engage. 30. Abstemious, ABSTEMIOUS. Part of speech, adjective. Meaning, moderate in eating and drinking, exercising self-restraint, especially in indulgence of appetites or desires. Sentence, she maintained an abstemious lifestyle, avoiding excessive eating or drinking. Synonyms, temperate, moderate, self-disciplined, restrained. Antonym, indulgent, immoderate, unrestrained.